Hello friends. Today, I want to tell you about an incredible book that opens the doors to financial success and prosperity. Allow me to introduce you to The Richest Man in Babylon. The book tells an exciting story about a young man named Arkad who lives in the ancient city of Babylon. Arkad aspires to achieve financial success but faces financial difficulties and doesn't know how to attain wealth. However, fate brings him together with a wealthy and successful merchant who shares his knowledge and wisdom in the field of finance with Arkad. The merchant tells Arkad stories from his own life and the lives of others to show him the principles and rules that help them become rich. George S. Clason's book, The Richest Man in Babylon, is a true financial guide based on the financial principles applied in ancient Babylon. The author claims that these principles are still relevant today and can help us achieve financial prosperity. The book presents stories and parables that convey important lessons on how to handle money and accumulate wealth. The main idea of the book is that each of us has the potential to become wealthy, regardless of our current financial situation. Now I will tell you about the main rules in the book, which are presented as key principles of financial success. Rule number 1: do not spend everything you earn. This is an important financial rule that holds great significance in our modern lives. Let's imagine that you have a steady source of income, such as a job or a business. You receive a salary or profit, and many of us, without thinking, spend all our earned amount on immediate needs or unnecessary items. However, according to the first rule of the book, we must learn to set aside a portion of our income before spending it. This is called paying yourself first. Instead of spending all the money and leaving only leftovers for yourself, you should set a goal to save a certain percentage of your income. Let's say you earn $1,000 per month. Instead of spending the entire $1,000, you can set a goal to save, for example, 10% of your income, which would be $100 per month. These $100 become your investments in the future. You can put this money in a savings account, invest it, or use it to create an emergency fund. It's important to understand that saving even a small amount of money each month creates a financial foundation and opens up opportunities for growth and future investments. This long-term approach will help us gain financial confidence and achieve our financial goals. Rule number 2: make your money work for you. Two people, John and Tom, meet. They both work the same job and earn the same salary. However, they have completely different approaches to their money. John, like most people, lives by the principle of earn and spend. He spends every cent of his salary on instant gratification, new gadgets, restaurants, expensive trips, and so on. John's life may seem vibrant and carefree, but there's one problem: he can never retire from work and always experiences financial stress. On the other hand, Tom acts differently. Tom understands that money should work for him, not the other way around. Each month, he sets aside a portion of his salary and invests it in various assets, such as funds, real estate, or securities. The book tells a story of a young man who saved 10% of his income every month and invested it in land. Over time, his investments generated a stable passive income, and he became one of the wealthiest people in Babylon. Let's say you have $100. Instead of spending it on trivial things, you decide to invest it in shares of a reliable company. Over time, if the company succeeds, your shares may appreciate in value, and you'll earn additional income. This is the principle of make your money work for you. To achieve financial success, you need to stop living paycheck to paycheck and start investing. Save a portion of your income each month and look for investment opportunities. Let your money work for you and bring you passive income. Rule number 3: protect your wealth. This rule reminds us of the importance of ensuring financial security and safeguarding our monetary assets. In the book, the main character, Arkad, meets his wise mentor, a wealthy merchant. The merchant tells Arkad about his friend who was a successful merchant and amassed a great fortune. However, unfortunately, he did not have any protection for his money. One day a fire broke out and completely destroyed his property. Without any protection, he lost everything he had accumulated over many years. Imagine that you have decided to start your own business. You have invested significant resources, energy, and time into developing this enterprise. Your business begins to prosper, but suddenly, a legal case or an unexpected legal dispute arises, threatening your business and assets. If you have the right wealth protection, such as proper organization of your business and appropriate legal agreements, you will be able to navigate through these difficulties. You can have insurance policies or contracts that will help safeguard your assets from potential legal and financial troubles. Rule number 4, create a home bank. Imagine that you have a secret room in your house filled with gold coins and valuable papers. When you encounter financial difficulties or unexpected situations, you can turn to this room and take the necessary funds. Sounds tempting, doesn't it? That's exactly what the author of the book suggests. It means that you should set aside a certain portion of your income and keep it in a secure place where you can easily access it when needed. Arkad, the main character of the book, faced difficulties and realized that without an emergency fund, his financial life would constantly be at risk. He started saving small amounts of money and soon discovered that he had a financial safety net. When an unexpected situation arose, Arkad could rely on his savings to solve the problem, thus maintaining his financial stability. Imagine that you have a medical emergency and you need to pay a substantial amount for treatment. If you have a home bank, you can use your saved money to cover the bills and obtain the necessary medical assistance without undue hardship. Creating a home bank is your financial insurance. It will help you avoid financial crises and provide you with financial security. Even if you can only save small amounts of money each month, it will make a big difference in your future life. Save small sums of money, keep them secure, and build your own financial safety net. It will give you peace of mind and confidence in the future. Rule number 5, seek reliable advice on financial matters. Imagine yourself standing at a crossroads, ready to embark on the path to financial success, but unsure of how to proceed. That's why seeking advice from experienced individuals becomes crucial. In the book, the main character finds himself in a similar situation. He realizes that his knowledge of finance is limited and decides to seek advice from a wealthy merchant to gain valuable insights. The merchant willingly shares his financial knowledge and experience, helping him build a foundation for financial success. Likewise, in real life we can seek wise counsel from people who have already achieved financial well-being. These can be financial consultants, successful entrepreneurs, or investors. By reaching out to them, we can gain valuable recommendations and guidance that will assist us in prospering in financial matters. Let's imagine you have an acquaintance who is successfully investing in real estate. You notice that their real estate portfolio is continuously growing, and they are earning a stable income from rental payments. You decide to seek their advice and ask them to share their experience. During your conversation, you learn about various aspects of real estate investment, such as selecting the right property, market analysis, obtaining financing, and property management. Your acquaintance can share their strategies and pitfalls they encountered, as well as talk about profitable deals that helped increase their wealth. They can also provide recommendations regarding reliable realtors, lawyers, and other professionals they collaborate with. In the end, by seeking advice from an experienced real estate investor, you gain valuable knowledge and practical recommendations that will enable you to make more informed and reasoned decisions when investing in real estate. Rule number 6, be ready for opportunities. This rule will teach us to be open to new possibilities and prepared to utilize them for our financial success. Friends, imagine the moment when an opportunity arises in your life that can change your destiny. In the book The Richest Man in Babylon, the author shares a wonderful story that illustrates the importance of being ready for such moments. Let's say you meet a friend who works in a new and emerging industry. They tell you about an investment opportunity in a company that could yield enormous profits in the future. Your friend suggests investing money in this enterprise and becoming a partner. At first glance, this may seem risky or unfamiliar. However, if you are ready for such an opportunity, conduct your own research, and make an informed decision, it could become a pivotal moment in your financial life. It is crucial to be open to new opportunities, ready to explore new fields, and willing to take risks in pursuit of your financial success. Remember that life constantly presents us with chances, and only prepared individuals can seize them and thrive. So, be prepared for opportunities, keep your eyes open for new ideas, and boldly bring your financial goals to life. Don't forget that every step toward financial independence starts small. Believe in yourself, acquire financial wisdom, and achieve financial prosperity. Thank you for your attention. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to not miss out on the next captivating stories about self-improvement and financial success. Good luck on your path to wealth.